Hi there, my name is Dan Varno, a member of our web strategy team here at WebFX. Is SEO or PPC better? This is another interesting question. In a lot of cases, it really just has to do with your business objectives and goals, as well as just kind of how your industry is currently positioned. So if you're kind of looking for a little bit of a longer term strategy where you're typically going to see the best return on your investment, SEO can be a really great play. But potentially you're a little bit more of a smaller business, maybe a startup, who really needs immediate results. PPC can be a great way to drive business fairly quickly. In a lot of cases, they can really work well together, but ultimately our goal as an agency is to evaluate each specific strategy compared to your very specific stated goals, and then put together a plan of maybe a combination of both, or one of the other that we think is really going to drive the best business and ultimately meet those goals here long term.